Friends, Namaste. Today's topic is importance of safety or why safety is important. I would like to start my video with a newspaper clipping on data related to industrial accidents due to gas leak. Friends, the worst industrial accident that ever seen is that of Bhopal gas tragedy, where around 3,700 people were killed on 3rd December 1984. After that, it was told that these kind of incidents will never be repeated with implementation of procedures, emergency preparedness, mock drills, etc. across the country. And in fact, December 4th is celebrated as Chemical Disaster Prevention Day. But still, a lot of accidents are happening. In fact, last year also around 10 people were killed in Vizag due to gas leak. Friends, the situation is not so different in 2021 also. In 2021, people have been killed due to fire accidents in hospitals, that due to leak of oxygen. Oxygen gas, which is supposed to save the lives of people, is killing people in hospitals. Friends, it's almost 4 decades that we have seen a worst industrial accident, but still accidents are repeating in one or the other form. And a lot of people are being killed in this kind of any accidents for that matter. The gas leak accident were an example, that's it. What could the causes for this kind of accidents? There may be many causes, but friends, all the causes narrow down to the only single cause, that is lack of effective safety management system. Next question arises, why we need to establish a safety management system? There could be many reasons, but today I would like to stress upon one reason, that is the moral reason. What will happen to the family members of the victim once the accident happens? Let's see with an example. Friends, there was a family of 4 members, father, mother and 2 children of age 3 years and 6 years respectively. Father was working in some company and company provided him the transportation facilities for commuting from office to home. Before going to the office, the child used to say his father, "Dad, see you in the evening," and Dad used to say, "We'll bring chocolates." But one day the father did not return to the home and the child was worried why the father did not return, and father became a victim of work-related accident. He never returned. Friends, can you think what would have happened to that child? That will create a mental strain to the family, not only to the child, and it will become difficult for them to lead a life. Friends, is it not our moral responsibility to save life? Friends, you hope you understood the trauma that family members undergo whenever there will be an accident, and especially when there is a victim. Now I would like to quickly run through the benefits of having effective safety management system. First, it will reduce the incident accidents in the organization. The image of the company in public will be improved, and it will be a very good company for a benchmark for other companies. Definitely, it will bring positive safety culture in the organization, and financial benefits could also be realized in the form of low premiums to the insurance companies, no sick pay, and reduction in first aid cost and other medical related expenses. And finally, customer will be happy and customer will be satisfied with all the countermeasures. Friends, hope the video was useful. We can help you in establishing an effective safety management system. Please connect with us. Thank you.